Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of resolution on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve resolution on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. After that you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to Clash of Clans and you can click here. Then you can go to first tab and you can click OK. And here you will enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. If you find here updating this blue sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.